Now, both in the cabinet rank and at the MOS level, this cabinet rejig saw quite a few new faces, along with some veterans and stalwarts to those who've been waiting in the ranks for quite a while. There were also some strategic regional inclusions, from Mamta Betas to Andhra strongmen to those vital to calm the Telangana stir. Everyone got accommodated. But will it pay dividends in 2014?
Cabinet Ministers Shri K. Rahman Khan.
UPA's big reshuffle, seemingly an attempt for a drastic image makeover ahead of the crucial 2014 elections.
Dr. Shashi Tharoor.
As much as 17 new faces were included in the cabinet, including prominent party spokesperson Manish Tiwari, who was elevated to the post of Minister of State with an independent charge.
Integrity of India.
The one thing that I've always tried to be is as chivalrous as possible. I will try and see that I carry it forward.
Dr. K. Chiranjeevi.
The reshuffle effectively focused on including ministers from Andhra Pradesh, with as many as 5 new faces from state introduced in the cabinet. Politician turned actor Chiranjeevi got the plum post of Tourism Minister, which in turn will come in handy for the UPA to appease the Telangana stir in the state.
To my heart and soul, definitely I'll put all my efforts to my ability. Definitely I'll try to do my best.
And even Pallam Raju getting a crucial post of Human Resources Minister.
As far as HRD is concerned, Shri Kapil Sibal ji has done a lot of good work, and I think that momentum needs to be sustained.
Andhra Pradesh, a crucial state electorally for the Congress, got maximum representation in this rejig of the Council of Ministers. As many as 5 new faces from the state were included. This is not just to counter the Telangana stir, but to also give a push to the party's campaign against the Telugu Desam, the TRS and Jagan Mohan Reddy in the run-up to the 2014 election.
The selection of cabinet ministers also a clear message to the Trinamool Congress chief Mamta Banerjee. With the induction of known detractors of Mamta Banerjee, Deepa Das Munshi and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary in the cabinet.
All have to work very hard because we are going against the main cause.
I think the mandate was denigrated by the Trinamool leadership. So I cannot be thankful to them.
UPA's move to induct known critics of Mamta Banerjee in the cabinet is quite significant because this comes ahead of the Panchayat elections that are due in West Bengal. And by having Deepa Das Munshi and Adhir Chaudhary on its side, the Congress is hoping to add strength in the state to its party.